Alright guys, we got these Kenway cap lights right here. Cap light kit, 5-piece amber from Harbor Freight. They were like 12 volts right there. They were like $12. 12 volts, $12. Hey, what can I say? So we got them lined up. I pretty much measured from corner here. I think it's 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches. Then from here, now if we added 2, we are at 12. It was at 11, remember? We're at 12, 12, and then from the there we're 8. So we have them mounted up, and we're about to mark them, make sure they're straight, mark them, and then drill holes, and do the cabling and all that. So yeah, let's get it. So we got one of the cap lights over there. We're taking the interior apart right now. Remove the sun visors. We got 2 Phillips heads. We got one there, and then we the holder. Then we got some Phillips. No, that looks like a 10 mil. 10 mil. And Thomas took my gun, but I still got a 10 mil. So yeah, pretty much. That's pretty. How's it going? Taking the A pillars out. We got that one. Pretty much, it should be just ready to. Ooh, yeah. I don't know. We might have to take the B pillars out. I don't want to. Yeah, I might have to. Because look, it's starting to push it up, but hey. So we got weather stripping, seatbelt piece had to come off. Those are fine, don't care. And yeah, pretty much he dropped enough where we could kind of fit in there. So yeah, now we're gonna drill and see how it goes. So here we are, about to install this one. So we got the first one in. It ain't perfectly lined up, but she on there.
Where's she from here after you set it up? Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah. Let's fucking get to wiring.
There we go.
Warren.
So we got all of them hooked up with the
Ass clips.
what is it called?
Scotch locks.
Yeah, Scotch locks. And then we hooked this up to a ground, and I was putting it in here to test. You can see there, whenever I turn on the headlights, the amber and those stays on. So we want to hook up to that light switch. So it'll be as factory as it can be. So yeah, looks good. There she is. One of the light bulbs, one of the bulbs actually went bad, so I just have to buy a new bulb, but that's pretty much it.